Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how the substitute function works in Excel. So, if you'd like to learn more things like this, please subscribe my channel, Radio Skills, and let's play with the data. I'll just show you one example for this. For example, you have a mobile numbers like this. So, this is Indian country code 91, and you have a 9972054924 like that. You will have a certain mobile number series will be there, and it is separated with the two slashes. Okay, here we go. How the substitution works. Substitution has many uh, advantages. Okay, across the data. Suppose if you take first one is it is asking about if you look at this text, what is your target text? Okay. So what is the whole text you would like to replace? I would like to replace this slash with some other symbol. Okay. So just select this. Okay. So now whole text it is got selected here, highlighted, comma. So now it is all about new text. What exactly you would like to replace it? Okay. So I'll just replace with this separator. Okay. Sometimes you can able to make it a space, star, whatever you want. Okay. What is this instance number? We're going to see in another few minutes. First, you try to check this one. Okay. So let's press enter. If you look at this, your slash forward slash is replaced with this symbol. Okay, if I drag it down, it is coming like this. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, let me try to extend this example little further. Okay, so a little further. So what I would like to show you is, okay, so here only I would like to take the first place, first time whenever it is coming, that only I would like to make it this one. Such a case, you have to give the instant. First instance means first time whenever it is appearing. So if you take one means press enter, if you look at this, only first time it is got replaced. Okay, that is the basic advantage of instant. So if you look at this, it is not going to read the second time. Okay, first time 91 slash. Okay, in the similar way, you would like to do it for only second time. Okay, if you look at this, see, first time it is normal. If you drag it down, okay, so this is how you can able to play with the substitution function. This is the basic advantage. See, if you have a junk data, huge data, and huge data, if you would like to change something, if you would like to substitute instead of existing old text and with new text, you can able to do that. It is not only for this. You can able to uh, what I would say, you can able to change the uh, words also. Okay, so probably you can give it a try. I think you better understand. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Please subscribe my channel for further learning.